Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1102 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please navigate to the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. Please double tap to proceed. Now, I'll be including or pasting a link at the description box below. Please copy it there. And the moment you have copied it, please navigate to the Windows search bar and press Ctrl V in the keyboard to paste the link. Once you have pasted it, please click on the Enter key in the keyboard so that you would be able to see the result of that particular link. Now, once you are here, you will be able to see an attachment link, attachment file. All you need to do is you need to click this download option aligning to it, and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this file would be downloaded. Now, once you're done, please navigate to the upper right side of that, click this full download icon. Okay, click on it and this would show up the recent download history. Please click on this folder icon so that you would be redirected to the list of the downloading history here. These are the files that are being downloaded in this PC or laptop. And from here, you need to navigate to the file that we have recently downloaded and click this cut icon to move that. So close the window as well as this one. And please do a right click here at the desktop and click on this paste icon. Now, once you have moved it here at the desktop, all you need to do is you need to navigate to this one. Please select it, do a right click, and this time on, you need to scroll down and we need to extract it. So click on extract and wait until it will be successfully extracted. Once it is being extracted, it will show up here. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now from the settings, please navigate to the left side of the screen where you can see a list of the options. Go with Bluetooth and devices. Under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down once again and locate for the devices. And under the devices, scroll down and go with more devices and printer settings. So here at the devices and printers, please navigate to the left side of that, upper left side of that. You can see there, add a printer. Click on it and this add a device window would show up. So from here, proceed at the bottom, which you can see the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on it and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next once again. Okay, and here you can see that use an existing port. So click this down arrow and choose among of these three USB port, which are USB 001, 002, and 003. So in my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Once you're done, click on next. And from here, go with have disk, click on browse. And this locate file window would show up. Please navigate to the left pane where you can see their desktop and scroll down and locate for your extracted file. Then double tap to it and it will show up all of the result. The file containing to it. You can see their driver, to driver, and this function similarly. So all you need to do is you need to select among of this, and the moment you do it, please double tap to it and click on the OK. So from here, it will show you up the 1102. Please click on next. You can rename that anything you'd like to. In my case, I'll just leave it there. Click on next once again and it will now begin on the installation. So wait for a while until this process is finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation process. So once you're good, click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, check the box. In my case, I'll just leave that unchecked. Go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1102, a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're good, close the window as well as this, and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.